Hello everybody, today we will learn about this keyword. So I'll start this question. What is this keyword? What is this keyword? Answer to this question is this is a very important question, a very important keyword that refers to the class object, that refers to the current class object, that refers to the current class object. So I'll write it like this, refers to the current class object. So what exactly use of it? Why do we use it? So the importance of this is this is used to remove the confusion of using same variable name in class method or with constructor. So that means you are using this keyword to remove the confusion when you have got same name. This is used to remove the confusion of using same variable name in class method or in constructor or with constructor. So exactly how we will use it? So that means in constructor as parameter. So this is the definition of this. So what is this keyword? This is a very important keyword that refers to the current class object. This is used to remove the confusion of using same variable name in class method or with constructor as parameter. Now let us go to our program. First of all we will see little more on this. So let us go to our graphics, and here I'll just try to depict it. Let us suppose this is your class. Say this is my class. Say this is my class A. I have written this class as A class. So now in this class I have got a method here with the same name, say A. Now in this one, if I pass a parameter, say I am passing a parameter, say A, small a, and now its instance variable is again A. So if I write this statement A equal to A, this does not make any meaning, actually any sense, if I am writing it like this, because which A it is? It is this one, this A or this A. This is a parameter which you are passing as a parameter to this constructor or to a function. So how it will identify? So to remove this ambiguous situation of identifying a variable, we use this keyword. So this keyword is referring to your, so here I'll put it to your class object. So I'll write something like this dot A. So when I am writing this, now this is very clear that this one is a parameter, and this particular whole is referring to the class instance variable. So like this we can identify these two variables. So this keyword is used to remove your ambiguous situation of identifying variable. Now let us make a program for this. So let us go to to our compiler, and there we can make a program for this. So see use of this keyword. use of this keyword. So how I'll write it? I'll write class public import, you need to import something, please. Import java.io.star. Although these are not very much required now, but still you need to do the java.util.star, and then after this you can write public class, and class name is as you have given up, so you will write main. Then after that you can write here public static void main, and as usual you can pass your arguments as an array, and here you can, you know, before this here, before writing anything on the main, you can write here, you can declare one variable here, and more you can initialize it. This will be giving you a clear view as well. So here now I will use my constructor this time, main, and my constructor is having a variable that is a, and this constructor, let us make it parameterized as I said. So similarly I will be doing here. So I will write here this dot a equal to a. I am trying to initialize my instance variable, means class instance variable. So then after this I would like to display it. So I write public void display, and in this one I would be displaying its value. So system dot out dot println, and value of a is, so I'll write value of a and see what you are going to get. So once it has done, go to your main function, and here you can create object of this class. So main equal to new main, and you can pass some parameter to this. Say I'll give it 20, and then print it. Now you can take an object of it, ob, and call your method display, and see what you are going to get with this. So you will need to concentrate here. This is where we are to concentrate, and the aim of this program is. So just run it and see the output. Value of a is 10, why not value of a is 20, why not 10? Because you have passed it. This was identified as a customer, as a constructor. See, main 20 is identified with the object calling, and this constructor, when with up one parameter, that a has been passed to this, and this a has been assigned to this. That means the value of a has become now 20, and that is printed as 20. And now see the difference. Exactly, you should know what is the difference. If I do not use this, then what will happen here? If I do this, means it will not be able to identify it, which a it is. I mean, simply it's not instance variable. So see the output, run it and see the output. Seeing it is 10 now, earlier that was 20, because the value which you gave here a, that was assigned to a. So what you are doing here, you are doing self assignment, self referencing. So there is no use of it. So you can do it like this. So like this your program will be giving you exact answer 20. Like this you can have the similar kind of understanding with super keyword as well. Super works with the previous class, while this works with the current class object. So this is all about this keyword, please. Thank you very much for seeing this, please.